how much we are controlling. Our control, who is the boss? We are the boss. Okay, we need to understand this. And first, with the help of this, if you want to do a strategy, what will you do? Then it's rolling. So when it rolls, it takes you, and different angles also. And here is capsular, it comes. You can feel it's together. Shoulder opening. In common language, we call it shoulder opening. Okay. And now we are coming up to how to use for some postures. Let's use it first for raising both legs up. And here, and hold it. Get into this and understand this. Okay? Once you are here, then place your hip. So if someone is finding difficulty in holding 90 degrees, this is actually you are on air. No pressure on you. You are reversing your blood completely. This way. This is one way. Okay? And another way is move. Here you are. And removing time, raising heels up, gently you move. This. Another way, hold it. Start leaning over. So I am not giving my all control over this wheel. What I am giving, I am just controlling this wheel to get into my posture. Okay, so shall we try it one by one?